We, Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited, are the leading producer in the field of electronic rebar bender and cutter. Since established in 1992, Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited have put all the energy into the development for the rebar bender and cutter. Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited has produced the best quality of electronic rebar bender, cutter, and spiral bender. Also, auto rebar cutting and bending lines are manufactured by Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited for a large quantity of rebar processing. Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited have been the export of rebar processing machine through the localization of a large amount of rebar processing technology. Leading the localization of a large amount of rebar processing technology, Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited takes a step forward to world and future. This product, TYC HD19A, is portable cutter of super lightweight with electronically driven hydraulic system. The strength of TYC HD19A is to process many works and to be carried out easily by hand. TYC HD19A cuts rebar of maximum diameter number 6 within 4 seconds. Also, this is good for continuous cutting operation with fast speed. Hydraulic TYC HD19A has powerful performance with less operation noise, excellent durability. It is possible to cut rebar diameter from number 3 to number 6. Also, TYC HD19A is perfect cutter, which has no need for oil supply by increased volume of oil tank. This product, TYC HD25B, is portable cutter of super lightweight with electronically driven hydraulic system. The strength of TYC HD25B is a lightweight, so you can apply for the roof or slab where you cannot use the heavy machine. TYC HD25B cuts rebar with maximum bar diameter number 8 within 4 seconds. Also, this is excellent in continuous cutting operation with fast speed. TYC HD25B has powerful performance with less operation noise, excellent durability. It is able to cut the rebar, which ranges from number 3 to number 8. Also, TYC HD25B is good product that has great cutting power and speed with electronically driven hydraulic system. product from Taeyon Machinery Company Limited is TYC D25C, is mobile cutter that is suitable for the continuous cutting of rebar of diameter range from number 3 to number 8. The cutting capacity is 4 pieces for number 3 and 1 piece for number 8 within 2 seconds. The TYC D25C, a mobile cutter, moves by wheels easily at working site. Also, it can be readily loaded into vehicle. The convenient function of this machine is one-touch cutting system, which means safe and excellent cutting power. One-touch system for cutting and TYC D25C uses two-phase motor so that you do not need to worry about the power supply. Also, it uses blade treated with heat to curtail machine damage on cutting. TYC D35 of Taeyon Machinery Company Limited is not a grease type, but an oil mission type without oil or grease supply. Oil mission type, TYC D35, enables customer to use the machine for a long time without after service. This product, TYC D35, is the general type cutter that is excellent at the continuous cutting of rebar for the diameter range from number 3 to number 10. The cutting capacity is 6 pieces for number 3 and 1 piece for number 10 within 2 seconds. TYC D35 can process continual works, and it has safe and excellent cutting power. It works very well using 115-volt electricity for indoor use. Tightly sealed oil type for internal gear protection makes this machine long-lasting. Also, it uses blade treated with heat to reduce machine damage on cutting. This product, TYB25A, is a mini bender that is excellent at the continuous bending of rebar range from number 3 to number 8. It is available to set angle range 0 degrees to 180 degrees diversely, especially setting 90 degrees or 135 degrees is well done. And this product is focused on the customer safety. The TYB25A can process the case of number 3 of strap, hood, and number 8 of rebar within 4 seconds. TYB25A can be loaded into a trunk of an automobile by 2 persons because of its light weight. It works very well using 115-volt electricity for indoor use with fast bending speed. On bending, TYB25A can process strap, hood, and number 8 of rebar. By attaching safety sensor on this machine, we enhance the safety of rebar processing. This product, TYB32A, is a mini bender that is excellent at the continual cutting of rebar for the diameter range from number 3 to number 10. It is available to set angle range 0 degrees to 180 degrees diversely. Especially setting 90 degrees or 135 degrees is well done. And this product is focused on the customer's safety. In the case of stirrup, hoop for number 3 is available within 4 seconds, and number 10 is too. TYB32A has fast and powerful bending speed. On bending, TYB32A processes not only strap, hood, but thick rebar number 10. By changing various types of rollers, 170R, 200R, 240R, 270R, 300R, 350R. You can get larger radius bending. By adhering safety sensor to this machine, we guarantee the safety of rebar processing. This product, TYR HD25B, is a spiral bender that is capable of processing the rebar for the diameter range from number 3 to number 8. TYR HD25B is especially suitable for the work of bridge building, civil engineering, and land-based piling work. TYR HD25B processes rebar diameter range from 150 millimeters to 2,500 millimeters. TYR HD25B is transferred easily by two persons, and its spiral bending speed is quick and powerful. It works well using 115-volt electricity for indoor use, and TYB HD25B processes the spiral bending delicately with exact measurement of diameter for the fabrication. This product, TYB HD42D, is a bender that processes continuous bending for the diameter range from number 3 to number 13. It is available to set angle range 0 degrees to 180 degrees diversely. Especially setting 90 degrees or 135 degrees is well done. And this product is focused on the customer's safety. A stirrup hoop processing of rebar number 3 is available within 4 seconds, and number 13 is too. TYB HD42D bends rebar fast and powerfully. On bending, TYB HD42D processes not only strap hood, but thick rebar number 14. A right angle processing with accurate diameter is available. By adhering safety sensor to this machine, it guarantees the safety of rebar processing. TYB HD42D is suitable for the work of bridge building, civil engineering, and land-based piling work. Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited is the leader of rebar processing machine and rebar processing industry. Continuous technology innovation and R&D enables Taeyeon to produce high quality of rebar product. For the customer's satisfaction, Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited tries to do best aiming at excellent durability and 0% fault rate. Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited always guarantees customer success with creative and challenging company culture. We raise ourselves as Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited for the domestic market and world, including Philippines, Iceland, Russia, New Zealand, India, and United States. We, Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited, are the leading producer in the field of electronic rebar bender and cutter. We, Taeyeon Machinery Company Limited, will do everything for the world recognition in the area of rebar bender and cutter. Thank you.